Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. This item is one of the items that I purchased before I went on vacation. You're going to see a lot of like these unboxings and things that I purchased before I went on vacation, and I did not have time to do them before I left, so I'm having to do them now. This one item is from Coach. It's in this box right here. It's actually not open. I got this from the 4th of July sale that they had. This is from the actual boutique and not the outlet. This purse has already been all over YouTube in terms of people getting this when it was a first release. I was not sure about this bag, mainly because of the colors that it comes in. And when it went on sale from the high price that I kind of thought it was for this size, when it went down, I decided I wanted to go ahead and at least get the bag and try. But as you'll see, I have another video coming up kind of explaining what happened after I left on vacation and when I came back, about how, you know, I've lost some type of thrill or lust for buying purses, or just something kind of happened to where when I came back I was like, oh my god, what did I buy? All of this stuff that I have. So but that'll be in a separate video, so let me go ahead and get to this unboxing. Alright, so there it is in the box. Box with the purse, and the receipt is here in the box. It's wrapped up nicely. Cute little ribbon on the item. There we go. Okay, you guys, this is the Ruby Satchel 18 from the Coach boutique. Now there is the 18, which is this size, and the 22. So just for a comparison, I did bring out my Speedy 20 so that you all can kind of see how it compares. And I know that there are other videos on YouTube that show this bag in comparison to the Speedy 20, but I wanted to show you all as well. Very comparable, actually. So of course, this being the 18 size, it's about 2, I think, centimeters. I don't think that's inches. Maybe it is 2 inches. Yeah, so it looks like it could be 2 inches taller. Yeah, very comparable. Yeah, so I think that's about right. 2 inches in size difference. This looks very comparable to like the Speedy, you guys. I mean, it's like the shape of the Speedy. I do have my other Speedy to compare it to. I have my Speedy Nano Speedy. So we'll compare these. It's already smushed. There's nothing in here. I don't store it stuffed. So there you go. You can kind of see. This might need some air papers or something in it to. Let's kind of fluff that out a bit so we can get something going with it. Okay. So this Speedy Nano is larger than the new one that they have. So this one is the old one because I still have the strap on there attached. But you can kind of see the comparison of that. Just holding them up side by side, I think this one has about 1 inch on this one from the side, like doing it like this. It has about 1 inch on it, and doing it like this, They're actually very comparable in terms of height. This one doesn't have a structured bottom, so this one is very comparable in terms of height. But this one appears bulkier because it has a more plush outer exterior. So let me set this one down. And let's get back to this bag. I did want to show you the difference or comparison to my other Speedies, but there it is. On the inside is that paper. So there's paper on the inside, and this is like a microfiber type of interior, or suede. I'm not really sure what this interior is. It's orange. It has the strap, that brown strap. I think this year all of Coach's products are coming. They're using this shade of brown. I've noticed they've used this shade of brown on the rainbow collection. It's on my penny bag that is sitting behind me. So this year, this is their shade of dark brown that they're using on their bags. I think it's still pretty. I definitely prefer the shade from last year. But there we are. Let me try to open this some more on the inside so you can see. Now, what I will say is I was hoping that I didn't like this bag because of just when I got home and I saw I had all these items, and I was like, oh my god, you know, what did I buy? I'm kind of overspending. Am I just frivolously buying? But I really do like this color, which is what made me buy it. And seeing it in person, I'm glad that I went for this color because they did have that red color, and this one is called Papaya. This feels like the pebble grain leather to me. This is, yes, genuine glove tan pebble grain leather. And I'm going to try to show you guys on what I've noticed about Coach's pebble grain leather. You can see the detail of the grain of the pebbles, like just how they classified this as a pebble grain leather bag. What I've noticed, and I thought it was just like the outlet bags and not the bags from the boutique, but I'm noticing that clearly it's the bags from the boutique as well. This one was probably a return, and I'm going to tell you how I know that, because on the edge of the bag the material is smooth. And if anybody has a pebble grain leather bag from Coach, you will notice that the sides or the seams of all their products with this type of material is smooth, or it looks like it's worn, or like it's dulled down. It's not as crisp as the other texture on the purse where you can see, and even if you touch it, the ridges and the pebble grain texture is not as defined, it's not as pronounced. And so I don't know if that's just the case with all their bags. Is that how the bag is designed when they're making them? Because it's hard to get into those folds, you know, with whatever machine they're using to create this. I'm not really sure, but I've noticed that consistency now with not only the outlet bags, but having this is with the boutique bags as well. But I managed to pick this up. It was on sale for $175, and I paid $192 after taxes and stuff. So this bag was $192. Let's put the strap on her. And I know it was probably returned or something because the strap doesn't have all the plastic on it. So someone got this bag and returned it. There was no stuffing in the bag, only the strap. And we all know when Coach sends a bag, it's usually stuffed with paper. The handles are wrapped, and this one didn't have all that, you guys. So maybe it came from a store, I'm not sure. But there it is with the strap. Really good size. It's an average crossbody strap. It is adjustable. So you have about 3 more notches where you can adjust it on the side. So it's a good length. The color is pretty. But again, I feel like because I've seen with the pebble grain leather bags, you know, when you first get it and after you've worn it for a while, this looks like it's been worn or it's been used and it was returned. And that's just my impression, because I don't even see a price tag on this, so I don't know. That's just my thoughts. It's still pretty nonetheless, and I got a good deal for it, and it's still in really good condition, so I don't see any problems with it. So I'll probably end up keeping it because I do like this color. I was hoping that I wouldn't like this color in person, but it's actually very pretty, and I think it gives me like a little bit of kind of variation from all my bags being in this monogram print, because this is kind of the situation that I have now. All of my Speedies are monogram print, except my Damier, well, all my smaller size ones like this, my little mini bags or micro bags, are all in monogram canvas, and I kind of just wanted something a little bit different. A little pop of color, but not one that was too crazy. The red is just way too much for me. I don't do red bags, but this is it. This video is longer than I had intended, but if you have any questions about this bag, and if you have this bag, let me know how you're enjoying this bag. Did you get it on sale? Kind of how it's wearing now for you. If it's like, girl, return that bag, or no, I have it, I love it, it worked out perfectly, so glad I got it. Let me know your thoughts on this color. What do you think about this color for summer or even fall? It's a great fall color to me, in my opinion. Great for October. So, alright you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.